God damn it. I've got a problem. Random people keep sleeping on my couch.
You gotta go. You gotta, come on.
It's comfy. I don't care if it's comfy. Seems like every week there's a new person on my couch.
We're not doing this again.
Hey,
We're not doing this.
Go sleep on anyone's couch except for this one. Anywhere. Over time, more and more people kept finding their way into my living room like some sort of homeless shelter. I told you I'd get the taser next time. They even ate my waffles. I don't know how they keep finding a way into my house since I lock everything and I never really leave it. And I can't call the cops because... Hey! Hey! Holy shit. Sam, we have to go. Sam, we have to go. Come on. Sam, come on. Sam, we have to fucking go. So if they don't want to leave my couch, I guess I'll just have to make them want to leave. And that's when a plan started hatching. A Furby is like if Totoro had sex with a gremlin and then they crapped out a baby, and it's absolutely terrifying. They date back to the late 90s, created by a small company called Tiger Electronics, and they were all the rage. Everyone wanted one, probably because the internet didn't exist back then and you had to go to a physical store if you wanted to watch porn, so people were pretty bored back then. And these things were innovative. Pet toys were boring up to that point. I mean, sure, you had stuffed animals, but they wouldn't talk back unless you were schizophrenic. This thing reciprocated the feelings your parents wouldn't. You feed it and rub it and play with it and it responds. Pretty normal. It's really just the face and body structure and internal bloodlust that signal red flags. Plus they speak in tongues, like any cult would, and they did a good job at making them creepy. But not good enough. People have been hacking Furbies for decades. I'm not the first person to do this. Other people are just as sick and twisted as I am. There are entire websites that date back to 1998 ripping these things apart and documenting them. If we dig into the Furby, you'll see this creepy mess of plastic and wires. Since you can't really modify the Furby code itself, most Furby hacking consists of hijacking the components you want and connecting them to your own programmable board. The face is controlled by this single motor right here, and it rotates these gears and cams to manipulate it. It's set up in this really weird way where basically every degree of rotation is just a different frame of animation. We just need to plug our own 5-volt power source into there, and with a little Raspberry Pi magic, we can cycle through different facial states on command. Now, hijacking the main features is fine and all, but he doesn't look like he wants blood enough. He's lacking a severe, murderous intent in his eyes. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Nothing says blood like the color red. I really only added these so you could see it in the dark. Wow, Sam, really cool. Please keep talking more. Anyways, we can't make a Furby demonically whisper without demon sounds, to which you're probably asking, how do you even get demon sounds? I've got an idea. Ah, you gotta drink, you gotta drink.
Yeah, mate, listen, I'm super organized. She sold you the shit.
So is this like a full-time thing, or is this just like a hobby?
The thing is, you left me bad feedback.
Chug, 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 chug. I think the sounds came out okay though.
Bruh.
Oh shit, wrong sound effect. From here, it's as simple as plugging in an aux cord to a speaker and then drag and dropping the files onto the Raspberry Pi's SD card.
Every multiverse will bow before me.
But it was missing one final touch. Welcome to a Cooking with Sam. Today we make a recipe called a Furby surprise. I may or may not be very fucking drunk right now, you will never know. We start to add some plastic. Add some more plastic. You wanna add some servo motors for taste and nutrients. Add some nuts. Add some bolts. Add some nuts and some bolts. Add some salt. Add some pepper. You wanna add some mustard for a little zest? You add a little mustard. I'm not gonna add mustard because of its racist tweets from a few years ago. Stir that shit around like a helpless child drowning in a whirlpool. Mamma mia! Pizzeria! These are gonna be a spicy. Oh shit, fuck! That's a one, a spicy, a 30. Oh, no. He has brain damage sometimes. He doesn't, okay, don't do that. Hey, that is my liquor collection for when I read the comment section. No. Who's a good Furby? You're a good Furby. Yes, you are. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, look at you. You're so... I read you a bedtime story from my childhood.
Bluetooth connected.
Oh boy, I sure hope a demonic Furby doesn't ruin my sleep tonight.
I will rid out your heart.
Daddy, would you keep it down up there?
Mom, I'm doing something up here. Run while you're still here.
As he walks into a wall.
No one likes you, and you're ugly, but you'll never know what goes to a poor little dog. Oh, excuse me.
I see you.
I'm hungry.
I thought it died for a sec. I was so happy.
I assume you would all be lovely.
This is brutal.
Existing
What is that crunching noise it's making? I know what I'm doing. Yeah, so that was pretty fucking awful. I got maybe 2 hours of sleep last night, which is about 1 less than usual. Mainly because the fucking plastic gears keep because of the plastic gears grinding against each other. Also, I had to keep waking up to press record on the camera because camera corporations are fucking greedy and don't want to pay tax. And yeah, I want to die. The Furby prototype was a success. It was scary, uncomfortable, and it made me want to go sleep on a raft in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean rather than my own comfy bed. After some repairs, there was only one thing left to do.